Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make these very easy ear wires. These are made with 20 gauge copper wire and you can make them absolutely according to your own choice. If you want a bigger loop, you can make it bigger. If you want this piece to be longer, you can make them longer. So these are very easy to make, and now I'm going to show you how to make these. For a normal size ear wire, we will be taking two pieces of copper wire, and these are 5 centimeters each. This is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, and the tools that we will require, first of all, we will require a nail cutter or a wire cutter. If you have, it is very good. Otherwise, you can use a nail cutter to cut the wire. Then we need a round nose plier and a flat nose plier. Something round, you can take any pencil or a pen. This is a crochet hook. You can take something to bend the wire on this, and we will also need a file to smooth the point of the ear wire. So this is all that we will require. So let's start. So this is my 5 centimeter piece. We will start with making a loop on one end, and at this point, if you have an earring which requires a bigger loop, then you can take a little bit more of this wire. Okay, otherwise for a normal ear wire, 5 centimeters is good enough. So I'm holding it like this, and I will bend this wire on the round nose plier like this. So here I have a loop, and now I'm going to just bend it a little bit backwards to give it a proper shape. It looks like a question mark. See. Okay. So I'm going to do this with both the wires, holding them at the same point and bend it on the round nose plier like this. Here we have the loop, and now bend it backwards. So we get a loop that is in the center of this wire. Okay. Once this is done, hold the two ear wires together like this, or the open edges on the same side like this, and now take that round object, hold these two wires on this thing like this, equal on both sides, and now just bend it on this round object like this. Okay, see, bend it like this, both touching each other, and now remove it from this thing. So this is what we get. Now what we need to do is, it is difficult to wear it like this. You cannot wear it like this if the edge is straight. Then take this flat nose plier and hold it like this and give it a little bit of bend like this. See the difference? Just give it a little bit of bend, and now it will be very easy for you to wear it. We'll do the same with the other wire, a small bend. Okay. So our ear wire is ready. Just see how quickly we have made an ear wire in no time at all. And now it is very important that we file this point, because it is very rough and you might hurt yourself trying to put it on your ear. So hold the file and just scrub it like this on all sides, and then feel it on your finger. If you feel that it is smooth enough, it's okay. Otherwise, you can file it a little bit more. It's smooth. I'm now going to do the same with the other one. After filing, just feel it on your finger that you don't feel any rough edge. Yeah, it's smooth. So it's done. Our ear wire is ready, and now you can use them on any earring you like. So I generally make a lot of ear wires like this because these are very good and they look very beautiful. And now one more thing. Suppose if you want to add an element, you can, before bending this, you can put one crystal or a bead on this wire and drop it just above this loop and then bend it like this. So that bead will act as an extra decoration for your ear wire. So friends, I hope this video has helped you, and just go ahead, make your own ear wires, and no need to buy from the market. Just a little bit of copper wire, 20 gauge, and your problem is sorted, and no need to go to the market to buy ear wires. Make them and use them. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. If you support my channel and help my channel grow, I will be able to make more videos for all my craft loving friends. So thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.